In this episode, I'm talking about how you create a story to support the vision you have and also build a sense of urgency in your organization. Stay tuned for more. Hey, my name is Johan Mailav. I'm the founder and CEO of Lean Dimensions International. Let's say you're a CEO and you have created a vision for the business, and maybe the vision is even actually a picture or a drawing of the future where you want to be together, right? And the definition of vision for me is, this is the reason why we should be together in the future. Now, you need to spread that vision to the rest of the organization, and that's not very easy to do necessarily, and it's really not the technical thing. I think the first thing to think about by doing that is to create a really good story that tells people why this is important to reach. And I use a process that I call see, feel, reward. So there are 3 steps. And basically, number 1 is, what can you see in the organization that is creating an issue that you don't like, or something that you want to overcome to reach the future? What would it feel like to you if you don't solve those problems now when you actually see them and know about them? And the third one is, what are the rewards you will get when these problems or these obstacles are removed? What can I see? How would it feel to me? And what are the rewards we can get when obstacles are removed? If you follow this pattern or these 3 areas, you can create a sense of urgency around your vision in a very good way. And it's an easy structure to follow. The more you practice, of course, the better you're going to get. See, feel, reward. It's an awesome way of creating a story for your vision. Do you recognize that you need to work on your vision or need to work on the way you are telling the story? Reach out to me. I can help for sure. Like and share this video, and thank you so much for listening.